Hello guys and welcome to my channel. As you remember, last time I did a vlog about moving all of my camera and filming equipment to my beauty room, and actually I put over here on a background these two pillows and also this little table, and also I put these beautiful flowers over here, but actually these flowers accidentally fell and the pot actually got broke, and my husband glued it with the super glue. And I decided that this will not be an option because those flowers can fall again. And also, if you can see this little table, I need to move it every time when I want to open up my drawers, because like it stands here on a way, so it doesn't really work for me. And whenever I was editing my vlog video, I thought that it will be so cool if over here I will just move one of my KALLAX Shelf unit, this one that I have right here, the one that I have with all of my shoes and bag. I decided that I will just take off all of these accessories and all of the shoes and just put some makeup on it. I think it will look so cool to see more makeup on my background. That's why this is what we're doing today. We're moving this KALLAX Shelf unit, and I will be cleaning and also decorating and more reorganizing. And I just quickly want to mention that over here I just keep all of my PR packages, so all of this just came out, so will be another PR unboxing video coming soon, as well as my Sephora haul and a little other haul. And all of this is actually all of the PR packages that I received earlier, so I need to take out all of the makeup from it and also put it in my makeup collection. And underneath I just keep this bag by Makeup by Mario Masterclass, and inside I just keep beautiful packaging, especially the packaging from eyeshadows. So let me know if you're also just like me and you like to keep beautiful packaging from makeup products. So I'm super excited, cannot wait to see how it will come out, and let's just get started. So I just moved one of my ring lights and also one of my soft boxes out of the way, and then I also will be moving out this little table with the pillows, so it will not be on my way as well. And after that I'll be just taking out everything from my shelf unit and moving it over here. By the way, this is my Kate Spade handbag that I love so much, and I usually use it during spring, summer and fall, because during winter time it is so freezing, so I'm trying not to use it during that time. So I will be starting using this bag now, and I was thinking to film a video what is in my bag. So if you will be interested in watching that, let me know, and I'll be so happy to film that video for you guys. So I just finished taking out all of the shoes from my shelf unit, and now I'll just clean it up and wiping up all of the dust. So I just moved my shelf unit over here on a new spot, and I think it will look so beautiful if I will have like makeup over here. I love when you can see beauty room on a background, and I also love that you can switch things up. So this is currently what I have right here as my decor. So I have one of the flower in this beautiful rose gold packaging. I believe I got this one from Winners or Homesense, the same place where I got also this beautiful makeup organizer. So inside it actually have a mirror if you open it up. Oh, hello guys. and you have like storage over here. I don't store anything there right now. I mostly keep it as a decor piece. And also over here I just put some of my Huda Beauty palettes. So I have the new nude on front and also the new palette, which is Mercury Retrograde. And also I have the original rose gold palette on the back. And over here I just have some flowers and also this beautiful lip case from Huda Beauty. And over here I just keep in this acrylic organizer all of my lipstick and lip glosses. And also I put some of the brushes. This is actually Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab brushes. They have like beautiful white packaging. So that's why I put them over here. And I did added these jewels myself, and also I put just some jewels and pearls. And over here I keep more of my most favorite lip products. So I have here still a new Shine Fever lip vinyls. I have all of the new shades, and on the back I have Stila Cosmetics Beauty Boss lip glosses that I love so much. And I'm also thinking to redecorate all of this portion of my makeup vanity. So this is all the makeup that I just used to do my makeup look today. And also one of the projects that I want to do, I want to reorganize all of these drawers. So I think to do this as my everyday makeup drawers, and I want just like to move stuff around over here, make it more nice, pleasant and beautiful. And I'm also thinking to move out all of this out of here and to move actually this shelf unit and put it on this spot. And also this area, I will just keep all of the new PR packages that will come in, and also all of the makeups that I will use in my videos and also in my photos for my Instagram page, Flip Play to Slay. And I'm also thinking to organizing all of this area, so moving this shelf unit and also reorganizing and cleaning it up will be another video. I don't want this video to be too long. Also let me know if you like watching this new style of videos when I just organizing, redecorating and also cleaning my makeup room. And also let me know what other vlog videos would you love to see on my channel. But now let's come back to what I was doing. So now I will need to move back this ring light and also another soft box. So right now you can see how it will look up on my video. So if I'll be doing video more further away, this is what you will be able to see my entire shelf unit. And if I will be doing more close-up videos, this is what you will be able to see, like a little bit of my shelf unit and also my makeup vanity. So now let's move into more fun part, and I will be decorating my shelf unit with more makeup and skincare products. On one of the top shelves, I want to put my PR package from Kylie Skin. They have very beautiful packaging, and I think they'll be looking very beautiful on that shelf. So this is the progress that I made so far. So I already decorated the 4 shelves on top, and I still need to do the 4 shelves at the bottom. is how I decorated my IKEA shelf unit. I put some skincare, I put some makeup, I also put some makeup books and shoes at the bottom. So I just want to show you close up of each shelf. So here I have all of my Kylie Skin products. On the next shelf I have all of my perfumes, so I kept only the big bottles, and on the back I put my body lotions. On the next shelf, in this acrylic makeup organizer from Impressions Vanity, I put all of my Stila Cosmetics Shimmer and Glow and also Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows, and because I didn't have enough, I put right there at the back 4 lip glosses from Stila Cosmetics Beauty Boss. Over there on the back, I put a packaging from Kylie Cosmetics in a collaboration with Chloe in Love with Coco. I think it looks so beautiful, white with rose gold and so glittery. And over here I have my Homesense body lotion and also U10 Tone Coconut Tanning Water. On the next shelf I have Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes with these beautiful white roses. And of course, I have to put this beautiful Amrezy palette right here in front. On the next shelf, I have some packaging from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. So on top, I have the Wild, so here eyeshadow palettes, and also on the bottom, I have here collab with Morphe, the Master Collection, here makeup brushes. And in front, I have Way hair products as well as my Victoria's Secret body lotion. So on the next shelf, I have my makeup books. I have some from Kevyn Aucoin, Gemma Kidd, Robert Jones, Ray Morris, Scott Barnes, Bobbi Brown, and also how to start a home-based makeup artist business. And on the top, I just have this beautiful golden candle holder and also these cute white roses. And on the last shelf, I just put some high heel shoes. So this is what you will see in my future videos. I think this background looks so much more better. If I'll be doing more further away videos, this is what you will see. And if I will be doing more like close-ups, you probably will see something like this. I think it looks so much more pleasing and it looks so much more interesting. Let me know in the comments down below if you like how I organized everything. Also let me know if you like watching this vlog style video, guys. Do you enjoy them? Do you want me to do more of them? As I mentioned in this video, I get some of the ideas what I want to do next. So let me know if you would love to see those videos. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!